Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oregano oil at home. First, gather your ingredients. Dried oregano, a good quality carrier oil such as extra virgin olive oil, and a clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. It's important to use high-quality dried oregano for potency. Make sure your jar is sterilized to prevent contamination and ensure a safe, effective product. This simple process allows you to create your own natural remedy. Next, let's infuse the oil. Combine 1 part dried oregano with 2 parts of your chosen carrier oil in the sterilized jar. For example, if you use 1/4 cup of oregano, add 1/2 cup of oil. Make sure all the oregano is completely covered by the oil to prevent any mold from forming. Seal the jar tightly and give it a gentle shake to ensure everything is well mixed. This step is crucial for extracting the beneficial compounds. Now for the steeping process. Place your sealed jar in a warm, sunny location, like a windowsill, for 2 to 3 weeks. This warmth helps the oregano infuse into the oil. Remember to shake the jar gently once a day to encourage the extraction of the oregano's properties. After the steeping period, strain the oil through several layers of cheesecloth or a very fine mesh sieve to remove all the plant material. This leaves you with pure oregano oil. Finally, let's talk about storage and usage. Transfer your homemade oregano oil into a dark glass bottle to protect it from light, which can degrade its potency. Store it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. When stored correctly, your oil can remain potent for up to 6 months. Use a few drops topically, diluted with a carrier oil, or consult a healthcare professional for internal use. Enjoy your natural, homemade remedy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.